Welcome. If you're tired of getting notifications every time someone adds your photo to a post on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable these notifications using the Instagram app on your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started and make your Instagram experience a little more peaceful. First, open up the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the settings you need. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the profile icon. It's usually the one with your profile picture or a little person silhouette. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the notifications option in the menu. Click on it to open up all your notification settings. This is where you can control what Instagram alerts you about, from likes and comments to tags and more. Next, find the section labeled Push Notifications. Click to enter this section. Here you'll see a list of all the different types of push notifications Instagram can send you. Scroll down until you find the option called Added to Post. This is the setting that controls notifications when someone adds your photo to their post. To turn off these notifications, simply select the Off option next to Added to Post. Once you do this, Instagram will stop sending you alerts whenever your photo is added to someone else's post. It's that simple. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can easily manage your Instagram notifications and keep your feed focused on what matters most to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for making your social media experience even better. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter Instagram feed.